So this is the second day. We're out at the Rucker Cemetery, and we've made some more progress here. As you can see, we've cleared all the way to the far end, unearthed a few more down markers, broken markers, and Lurah here is going to show us how to spray some D2 on John H. Rucker's marker, and we'll see if we can get some dates of birth and death for us. So Lurah, why don't you put some D2 on the marker? Start at the top. Back and forth. All the way to the edge. All the way to the edge. Excellent. Okay, that's good, sweetie. Put a little bit in that top right corner. Excellent, that's good. Excellent. Goody. Excellent, that's good.
So now we got some bottom
That's good.
words
That's
here.
good. Yep, so right there, those words say Gaddis, Lynchburg. And this marker is from 1855. And it says John H. Rucker, born January 19th, 1832, died November 15th, 1855, age 23 years, 9 months, and 28 days. And it's our traditional weeping willow with the grave to the left side.
And then what's this?
I don't know
And I
what
wonder,
that
Sean,
is.
if they'll, maybe we can expose the fence clearly, maybe they'll clear the periphery.
Yeah.
Donna
So,
made a video.
we're making a
sorry.
video. So Lurah, why don't you give it another little wetting? Back and forth. Good job. Excellent. Good. Now why don't you go and, that's good, Lurah.
That's enough. Laura.
Now why don't you get the brush and give it a scrub?
Alright.
Scrub, scrub, scrub. Start at the top. Sweetie, you gotta go hard.
Daphne's watching Pound Pig in the car. Is she going to watch it on the way home?
Sweetie, you gotta scrub.
Mama, see it?
Mama's gonna show you how to scrub.
Ah, it's all bubble.
That's how you scrub.
Can I do it?
Hang on.
Don't do the whole thing when we go
You
home.
can see that marker's moving back and forth. It's going at a 60-degree angle. We're probably gonna have to reset it, but this one is not gonna be in a socket. This is gonna be just a big tablet. So it will just
Can I
be
do
a
some more, Mama?
easy reset.
Bubbles.
Alright.
Hopefully that will start going to white.
You can even, Sean, if you want to show the back of it, you can see a little bit more of the natural color of it.
Oh yeah.
Get
See
it
that?
to do
Oh,
bubbles.
it's supposed to be
Push harder.
wider. And see that next one there is quite a bit wider also.
Get it. It's making bubbles now.
Keep scrubbing.
So that's the easy process.
Ah,
Oh, look at that. Lurah, could you get out of the shadow? Let me just get it from here. I'll read the words pretty nicely. And we'll kind of get another updated shot in a week or two, and hopefully it'll be wider.